What's up? It's your girl LT with Student Credit Solutions. Guys, I didn't want to sell anything. I'm not going to advocate anything today. I just want to talk to you about this one thing.
It's LaToyia, oh, it's LaToyia, oh, it's LaToyia, the credit guru.
A lot of people are embarrassed about getting credit repair. Listen, if you ask me what I've went through in my life, I will tell you there was a lot of freaking things that I did wrong and I messed up. And if I didn't do it, I wouldn't be here to be able to tell you, don't do it. Okay, and so this is what I want to tell you. First of all, I had a car that was basically, I think, 9 years old. It was an $8,000 car. I was at 21% interest rate. Okay, my credit was bad. I went to a buy here, pay here, and this is what I got. So I know about that. I will tell you what to avoid and how to avoid this if you contact me. I had a house foreclosed on. Been there, done that. I had secure loans. I had secure credit cards. Been there, done that. And the thing is, you can get a secure card. I don't advocate it. I want to tell you methods of jumping up your score and being able to benefit credit lines without having to go through secure cards. I was placed as an authorized user on credit cards, so I can tell you that walk of life. I can tell you what to avoid. I can tell you what to look for. I can tell you how it can benefit you. What I want you to know is I don't blame or shame. The credit industry it's like a secret. It was a secret. It's not a secret so much now, but it was like a secret in the 80s, 90s. As I was growing up, I didn't hear about credit. So I want to let you guys know now there is a vast majority of information on the internet, but I like to make things simplistic, right? I put it in a simple box so that when you come to me, I've already have it, I've already experienced it, I've wrote it down, and now it's readily available for my students, right? So when you have a question about whether you should get a secure card or versus a unsecured card, if you want to jump your score because you were trying to get a house and you're not sure, you just need that 40 points, or you want to get a car and you're not sure what they're looking for, having excellent credit is the best thing I've ever done, you guys. It is a life changer. This is not an infomercial. It's not a commercial. Because whether you go with my company or another company, you gotta hear it. Guys, listen. Getting your credit straight is the best thing you can do for yourself. It is the best investment. It is not a bill. It's the best investment that you can do. If you run into an emergency, you use your credit cards. If you need an apartment or a home, they're just not badgering you. They're not, you don't look like a fly-by-night. They're wanting to do business with you because you've already established that you're credit worthy. So I'm fine with you coming into my place of residence. I am okay after pulling up your credit report and seeing, oh my gosh, she's cool. All right, let's go. I'd rather take her as a tenant or, as me extending a loan than this person that looks like the credit score is in the 4, 5, 6. If you are trying to do something and not able to pay it and you're able to pay it at a later date, you actually can move your money around. Guys, that gives you power. I know how it feels to have to call a family or a friend and say, I need this. Can you lend it to me and gotta hear, well, why you need it? When can you pay it back? I told you about that. Man, nobody want to hear that when you're going through what you're going through. But it's so great to be able to pull out that card and be like, Toy, you better pay yourself back the same way you would pay X, Y, and Z. But now you don't have to hear the mouth. You don't have to hear that. My daughter always go, wah, wah, wah. She always say I cry about everything. But listen, I don't want to hear it. I'm already in a situation. I already feel bad about it. I don't want you to make me feel worse. And now I don't have to because I can rely on myself. That gives you self-independency. That makes you feel different. When I tell you walk different when you have your credit, man, it's everything. Everything you level up. You level up the way you spend. You want to keep your credit good. You make sure that pay date or that due date is paid on time. You make sure that that car note, and you make sure you're driving in the car that you want to drive in. But you make sure that car note is paid. You make sure your rent or your mortgage is paid on time. When I was growing up, I used to be like, man, we work at the same job. How in the world are they driving this and I'm driving that? How in the world is their apartments looking like this and mine's looking like that? Hey, Toy, can we come over? Yeah, you know what? Let's go meet up and get some drinks, y'all. No, now I'm having house parties. Now I'm having housewarmings. Yes, I do. I advocate that. And while I'm on, guys, I also advocate, I saw this post on Facebook. It said, let's do away with baby showers and start having showers for people that start their business. Now, I don't agree with doing away with baby showers because, boy, that sure helps. You have your baby and you have your family and friends coming and gathering and supporting you. Guys, we need that same benefit for businesses. Look, if I shine, you shine. I can hire you to do something that I need done. And then you get your money up and then you start your business and I support you. Guys, it's not competition. We need to start thinking about that. I just want to put that in there. I definitely am going to start doing that in the months to come. As soon as I start putting things together, man, because once you know better, you do better. When I saw that, it just did something to my mind. Imagine if I started my trash business, right? And I had my family and friends and they were like, look, here's some donations. Here's some thoughts. I can help you with the advertisement. I'm good at that. I can help you with the calls. Here's the sales script that I use for man, you know how far I would be? I would have been, I no longer do the trash business because I lost it, because I didn't know about business credit. I didn't know how to fix my credit. I didn't know all of that stuff. But boy, once I learned, LT Student Credit Solutions is doing big things, guys. And not even that, I've already established 4 other businesses. So yes, I definitely want to put that in y'all ear if you haven't heard it, because if you sit down and look at your circle, you have lawyers, you have doctors, you have business owners, you have people that's in military. Man, if y'all just put your mind together and establish something, let's call it a business shower. What could you do with that resource? Whoa, mind blown. Stop playing. You're welcome. I'll speak to you soon. Guys, this was just really saying we are all in the same boat, okay? We are all in the same boat. Different situations, but man, listen, if we go ahead and get our credit fixed, that's the first thing. Invest in that. You'll sit there and be like, man, I want to go to this vacation. I'm going to put some money away for this vacation. Guys, when you go to that vacation, I'm not saying everybody don't need a vacation, because yes. But first, second, third, priorities. This is all I'm telling you. You put that money away for that vacation. You get tan, and you go get all these nice clothes, and you go shopping, and you have a great time. And guys, how many, because I've done it, how many people come off that plane and like, back to reality? How many? I've been there, done that. I got the t-shirt. But here's the thing, when you do that for your credit, there's no I've been there, done that. Your credit is boosted, and now you have leveled up your life. When you get off that plane after going on that vacation, if you haven't leveled up your life, it goes back to normal. And what's your normal? My normal is not my old normal, okay? Let's level up. Like Sierra said, come on, y'all. Get with me. I'm here. Love you guys. Thanks for coming on to my channel, and I'll see you soon. So we're at the end of the video. Great. So my job is to shift that paradigm and let you understand, look, you are amazing, you're great, you're awesome, you can get all things, you can do all things. And so what I want you to do right now is understand it takes 21 days to create or break a habit. So you would have to do this every single day until you change your mind. And so your greatest thing is your mind. Mind is not the brain. Okay, so what you need to do is start picturing, where do you want to be right now? Feel that moment. Be still. None of the naysayers. What does success look like for you? What would you like to have at this moment? Whether it's getting in that car, getting the credit cards, being able to secure a loan, getting that house, getting that apartment. What is success for you? And in that moment, I need you to picture it. Close your eyes and visualize it. Write it down and speak it into fruition. And you speak it as in, when you're writing it down, you're going to say, I am so happy and grateful. This is why. I am so happy and grateful that I am now in my new Ferrari 2022. You know, you're going to put that there. You're going to visualize. You're going to write it down. You're going to speak it. And then what happens is the universe will have no choice but to do or to give you what you've been asking for. So again, this is just all in shifting your mind. Everything you work towards is building your imagination, building your visualization of where you want to be. Go into that little child mode that we were taught to get rid of so long ago. Revisit that. And I'll see you next time. And I hope that I can create your mind to shift into understanding it's all in your mind. Once you change your mind, visualize yourself saying, I can see myself in that car. If you cannot see yourself in that car, then what you're doing is going against your success. See you soon.